Hey guys, welcome back to Fashion World. Today I will show you awesome designs of crochet rugs. For more awesome content and amazing ideas, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for latest updates from my channel. In this video you will get the awesome and amazing designs of crochet rug that will make your house look beautiful. You can use different colors and threads to make these designs more awesome. For new content that you want to watch, please tell me in comment section. Like and share it with your friends. So enjoy the video. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.